Let's see how we can install Flask, and then we will create and run a sample application using Flask. First, open your command prompt and let's check our Python version. As you can see, I'm on Python version 3.12 here. So the command is pip install Flask. Hit enter and Flask will be installed. If you get an error that says pip is not found, check the link in the description. It will show you how to fix that error. Now let's wait for a while till Flask is installed. While this is processing, check out our brand new awesome coding merch. We've got t-shirts, hoodies, we've got stickers for laptops or notebooks, cups, bags, and a lot more. Get it today from the link below. So once Flask is successfully installed, let's close this and let's see how we can use it in a project. So I'll just right click and create a new folder here. And let's call it my Flask project. Right, and let's go inside this folder and let's create a new file. And let's just call this main.py, and in here we'll write some Python code that uses Flask. So double click to open it. It will open up in your text editor, or you can just open it in your notepad. Now let's write some Flask code. So I have this sample code here that is just creating a route, simple route, and that prints hello world, right? So now let's see how we can run this. Go back to your project folder. In this URL, just click on this URL here and type cmd. Hit enter, and this will open command prompt in your project directory. As you can see, my project directory is here, and now you can just run the file using python main.py. Hit enter, and as you can see, Flask server is now running. I can just click on this, control click this, and hello world is printed. So we have installed Flask and we have created a sample application. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.